And welcome to our fourth video. This is the fourth video done in this night. I'm getting pretty tired. And I'm your host, Austin. And this is your co-host, Trace. It appears you've been getting pretty tired too. We have done this since 7 o'clock, and it's only 10. It's only been 3 hours, so I am like wide awake.
Me too, dude. We were just like, I don't even know. I'm about to go get like my beer so I can stay up.
We'll be right back. Stay tuned, folks. We'll be like in 3 milliseconds.
Oh, guys, you guys can see the pictures on the fridge. That one's my nephew.
That ain't Uncle. I'm more than just a piece of crap.
That one's my cousin. That's my cousin Nick. He's pretty boss. It's my cousin Caitlin. She's stupid. It's my nephew on his four-wheeler. It's my cousin Caitlin again. She's stupid.
Maybe up there.
There's me in baseball. There's Brian, as we call him, Brain. It's my cousin. He lives in Michigan. And that one is my cousin Nick in football. Whoops, no. That right there, my cousin Nick in football.
That's Brandon.
There's Brandon, my cousin's...
Because that's Brian. No, wait.
There's
That's
my
right.
cousin Brandon, Nick's brother. Who's that one?
Brian.
No, on the very end.
Yeah, it's Brian.
Oh. That's Brian in football. And
Oh my god.
there's...
See, in the fourth video, I just farted. So far, we still farted in all the videos.
Yeah, he just farted. Oh my god.
Jeez, dude, I think you need to go wipe.
You need to go white, dude. Oh my god.
Okay, continue. This is Connor again, the one you saw in
This is the monkey.
Days on
That's the monkey that you saw in, I think it was video 2.
3.
No, I don't think it was the second one. Because that was when we did all the advertisements and I had the applesauce cream. You seen that?
No, you didn't. You can't see nothing. You see because he's all be like, I'd be like in a spaceship, maybe. You'd be in a spaceship no more. Another random segment.
That's like only one of them in this video. Rock on, dude.
Dude, ready, pound it. Paper covers rock.
Fail.
I was looking at the camera. It's already been 5 minutes. These videos are really short.
We're going to 10. We got another 5 minutes. I can't believe it's already been 5 minutes since we started this.
I know. I know.
Dude. We're gonna get like no views. Just because it's random, stupid stuff.
And it's really good most views. Random, stupid, funny stuff.
Random, stupid, funny stuff.
Oh, some of our viewers might not think it's funny. But you know,
We're immature, so...
I just gonna have to deal with it.
Yeah.
And hopefully, subscribe. Please subscribe, as I've not said in the past videos.
What does it make us do if we like subscribe?
I don't know.
I don't get what the whole subscribe.
Because we just made our YouTube account today, bros.
Yeah.
And this is our 4th video today, bros. And girls.
Because we're
If
pretty
any
awesome.
girls watch this.
And Zelda Fanful is stupid. His videos are just retarded.
What are?
Zelda Fanfuls. I don't even know. His videos, there's this little kid named Jeremiah at our school, and oh my gosh, his videos on YouTube are so stupid.
What are they called? Type it in.
Zelda
Fab?
Fan. No.
Zelda Fabful.
What was that little stutter? This kid's so stupid.
Hey, this is Zelda Fanful.
He goes to my school. He thinks he's cool.
If you enjoy this video, then I would expect you to see, some of my tool-assisted speedruns. They're on my channel, and, I uploaded them 2 days ago, and now they all have 15 or 14 views. That's pretty big for 2 days, you know? If anybody comments on me about the way I look, I will kill you. I will kill you. Anyway, I'm just messing around with you.
He's so stupid, dude.
Merry Christmas,
This
Happy
tall.
New Year,
He's
Happy
a goat.
Easter, Happy
Oh
Hanukkah,
my god, that kid's albino.
So I like it.
Happy 4th of July, Happy Flag Day,
He did this
Happy
on
Thanksgiving.
Christmas.
I want to subscribe to you. Yeah, that's right, you. You.
You're gay, shut up.
Yeah, he's super stupid.
Don't make fun of that, or else I will post really mean comments and I will flag all your videos I touch.
Oops. I did not mean to do that. Oh well.
That was so dumb. Oh my gosh, that kid, oh my god, that kid is, I don't even know. That kid's just
Messed up in the membrane.
messed up in the membrane.
Alright, as you can see in video 5, I will play my new favorite theme song. In video 5, which will be made right after this one. I hope you guys like my kisses. I'm blown here, guys. And no, we are not gay. Hey, I thought you said there's only going to be one random segment. Segment. What?
Segment.
Elephant juice. Oh, I blew you some more kisses. Okay, guys, watch. When I say elephant juice, it looks like I'm saying I love you. See, watch. Elephant juice.
Elephant juice.
I think it's olive juice too. I don't know. Well, I'm gonna cut this one short. It's only been 9 minutes and 12 seconds. 9 minutes and 13, 14, 15.